Here factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. First we have to suppose the given polynomial as f of x. Here highest power of x is 3. So if the highest power of x is 3, then this polynomial will have 3 factors. One factor we have to find by trial and error method. In trial and error method, first we have to try with x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in this. 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So we get 0. On substituting x is equal to 1, if you get 0 answer, send 1 this side. That is x minus 1 is a factor. So like this one factor we have to find by trial and error method. Try for x is equal to 1. If you get 0 answer, x minus 1 is a factor. If you get other than 0, then x minus 1 is not a factor. Then we have to try for x is equal to minus 1. Like that x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 3. Like this for 6 numbers, any one factor will give. So here x is equal to 1 is giving 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor, one factor we got. Now total 3 factors are there, remaining 2 factors we have to find by factorization method. So first let us divide x cube minus 2x square minus 6 plus 2. Let us divide by x minus 1 is a factor, let us divide. Here first term is x cube, here x into how much is equal to x cube? X square. So x square into x is x cube, x square into minus 1 is minus x square. Minus 2x square plus x square is minus x square. Here minus x next term. X into how much is equal to minus x square? X into minus x, if you multiply, minus x into x minus x square minus x into minus 1 plus x. While subtracting, let us change the signs. Minus x is minus 2x. Here next term is plus 2. Now x into how much is equal to minus 2x? Minus 2. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So here we got the quotient and expression, that is x square minus x minus 2. Let us factorize this quotient so that we will get remaining 2 factors. Now in factorization, we will multiply the constant with x square term. Last term we should multiply by the first term. Minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. Last term we should multiply with the first term, minus 2 into x square minus 2x square. Divide this product into 2 parts, 2 factors. On adding the 2 factors, we have to get the middle term. So minus 2x square. Let us divide this into 2 factors. Minus 2x plus x. If you add, you will get minus x. If you multiply, you will get minus 2x square. Therefore, the factors are x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. Here in these 2, you can take x common. So x minus 2. Here you can take 1 common. So that again you will get x minus 2. Now x minus 2 is present in both. You can take x minus 2 as common. Then inside you will get x plus 1. So like this, therefore, the given formula is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. One factor we got x minus 1. The remaining 2 factors are x minus 2, x plus 1. Like these 3 factors we have to find out. Right, second bit. x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. The first step is we have to suppose the polynomial as f of x. First one, let f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Here highest power of x is 3, therefore this polynomial is having 3 factors. One factor we have to find by trial and error method. In trial and error method, first we will try with x is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 1 first. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 3 minus 9 minus 5. So 1 minus 17, that is minus 16. So minus 16 means it is not equal to 0. Therefore, we can conclude that x minus 1 is not a factor. When on substituting x is equal to 1, if you are getting other than 0, then you go for x is equal to minus 1. So let us try with x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus into minus plus 9 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 3, 9 minus 5. If you add the negative numbers, it is also 9 only. So 9 minus 9, we will get 0 answer. So on substituting x is equal to minus 1, we got 0. Therefore, send minus 1 this side. X plus 1 is a factor. So like this, we have to get one factor by trial and error method. Remaining 2 factors, total 3 factors are there. Remaining 2, we have to do by factorization method. So to factorization method, first we have to divide. That is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Let us divide with x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor, so let us divide. X into how much is equal to x cube? X into x square. So x square into x cube, x square into 1, x square. While subtracting, we will change the sign. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square. This is minus 9x. Now x into how much is equal to minus 4x square? Minus 4x. Minus 4x into x minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1 minus 4x. Minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x. Take next term minus 5. Now x into how much is equal to minus 5x? Minus 5. So minus 5 into x minus 5x. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So subtract this. So we get the remainder 0. So here we got the quotient x square minus 4x minus 5. Now we should factorize. In factorization, we will multiply the last term with first term. Minus 5 into x square minus 5x square. Now divide this product into 2 parts. On adding the 2 parts, we should get the middle term. On multiplying the 2 factors, we should get this product. So minus 5x square. So here minus 4x, we should get minus 5x plus x. If you add minus 4x it is. If you multiply it is minus 5x square. So here in place of minus 4x, let us write these 2 factors. Minus 5x plus x minus 5. Take x common so that we will get x minus 5. Again to get x minus 5, let us take 1 common. If you take 1 common, you get x minus 5. Now x minus 5 is common in both, so we get x plus 1 inside. So therefore, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. One factor we got x plus 1. Remaining 2 factors x minus 5, x plus 1. Now third bit, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So let f of x is equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Here highest power of x is 3. So this polynomial is having 3 factors. One factor we have to find by trial and error method. In trial and error method, generally we will try for 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3. But here all plus signs are there, all positive terms. If you substitute 1 or 2 or 3, any positive number, if you substitute, we will get other than 0. We will not get 0 because all positive numbers are there. So we will get other than 0. That is why it is better if you try with negative numbers. Put x is equal to minus 1 first. So f of minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square, 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1, 13 into minus 1 whole square is 1, 32 into minus 1 minus 32 plus 20. This is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. If you add positive numbers, it is 33. If you add negative numbers, it is minus 33. So you get 0 answer. On substituting x is equal to minus 1, we got 0 answer. Send minus 1 this side. So x plus 1 is a factor. So one factor we have to find by trial and error method. Remaining 2 factors we have to find by factorization method. In factorization method, first we have to divide this x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. You divide by x plus 1. Now x into how much is equal to x cube? X into x square is x cube. So x square into x cube, x square into 1 x square. 13x square minus x is 12x square. Take next term 32x. X into how much is equal to 12x square? 12x. 12x into x, 12x square. 12x into 1, 12x. So let us subtract. 32x minus 12x is 20x. Take next term 20. X into how much is equal to 20x? X into 20. So 20 into x, 20x. 20 into 1, 20. So we are getting remainder 0. Therefore the quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20. Now we have to factorize this. In factorization, first we will multiply the last term with first term. 20 into x square, 20x square. Now divide this product into 2 factors. On adding the 2 factors, you have to get the middle term. So here 12 is there. So if you write 10x and 2x, 10x, 2x, if you add it is 12x. 10 2s are 20x square. So in place of 12x, you write these 2 factors. X square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Take x common, x plus 10 plus 2 common, x plus 10. So the factors are x plus 10 and x plus 2. Therefore, the polynomial is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to one factor is x plus 1, the other 2 factors are x plus 10 and x plus 2.
15.